Hello everyone, welcome back to Art with Joshi. Today we learn how to make a paper weaving paper mat, for which we require three different color sheets. I have this A4 size sheets. I have this first sheet and I have these two more sheets. A4 size sheets we require. Now what we will do is with the sheet, the first sheet. So let's start. What we need to is we also require pencils, scales, scissors and some fevicol. Okay. Now to start with it, what we'll do is the first step is we'll take this sheet and we will fold it vertically. This is the vertical side. We will fold it from the center and make a crease. Okay. Now this is the closed side and this is the open side. What we will do is we will take our scale. Now our scale's width is usually 1 inch. So what we'll do is we'll keep our scale like this over here and we'll make a line. First side, we'll make a 1 inch line. Basically we need to make this 1 inch line on all the three sides. And we will make 1 inch line over here. Now basically what we'll do is we'll keep on making 1 inch line, but we'll not go beyond this part. So I have made these lines. And what we will do is we will cut these lines. This is the first step of our paper weaving mat. Very simple steps. Okay, we can also change their sizes. Like I have made these 1 inch lines. We can also make it half inch or a more thicker one. But 1 inch is a standard size. Okay, so what we have done is from the folded side we will cut it. Okay, we have made the line on three sides and then the rest of the lines over here. Now we'll take the scissor and we will cut these lines, but we will not go beyond this line. This is very important. We don't have to go beyond this line. And the sheet was vertical. I'll just show you what will it look like. And we have to remember this, that we are cutting this strip from the folded side, okay, not from the open side. If we'll do it from the open side, what will happen is we'll tend to make all these strips into few pieces. Okay, so we don't have to do that. We have to do it from the closed side. And we'll do this last one. I have done this. Now I'll open it. So when I'll open it, what I got is I got the mirror image. Okay, and I got this. So this is the first step. The second step is we will be taking the rest of our sheets and we will be creating lines. Now what we have to do is we have to make these lines in the standing form. This was my sheet, this was my full sheet, and I have made the lines and we will cut these lines. Now remember that we have to make sure the strips, this was vertical sheet, we will make the lines. We have made these vertical lines, and this was on a horizontal sheet, we have made straight lines. Okay, for this we will take the sheet like this, but for this paper we will take the sheet like this and we'll make the lines. Okay, now what we have done is we have already made the lines. You'll again keep a scale and you will create these lines as the same width we have to take. We'll just create these lines like this and we'll cut them into strips. I have already cut a few slips. I'll just show you what we'll do and how we'll do. We have this paper with us and I have cut a few strips, already done it, right? So we will start with the first strip and we have to weave. Now weaving is like we'll take one inside, one outside, again one inside one above it. So this is the game which we have to play. It's a kind of a game only. Okay, we have to keep it like that, and we will paste it later. Okay, we can paste it all together. The first color, now we'll use the second color. Now remember, the second color will be the opposite one. Okay, I'm taking this above it, then one has to be below it, then above it and below it, again above it and below it and above it. So you all can see this, and we'll do this. And later on what we'll do is, we can do it right now also. We'll keep pasting them. We'll use a Fevicol and we'll paste it. And what we have to paste, we have to just paste the edge. We'll take the Fevicol, we'll apply the Fevicol here and just paste it. Very simple steps, right? And the rest, the other one, we'll paste it from here. We'll paste it on the back side also. So we have to just paste them, and they will not go anywhere. I'll apply a Fevicol, little Fevicol. We don't want a lot of Fevicol, we just want a little Fevicol. So my first is pasted. Now I will paste the next one. I'll just show you how to do that. We have to get it near, take it near it, okay? Don't leave gaps in between, that is very important, right? And apply some Fevicol on this end. And paste it, that's it. Simple things, but it will become a beautiful paper mat. Paper weaving mat. Then I'll apply the Fevicol on this end and I will paste it. So we'll continue doing this till the end. So we have easily made this, and make sure you secure your edges. Okay, the end points we have to apply Fevicol, and our beautiful paper mat, paper weaving table mat is ready. We can laminate and use it as a paper table mat. You can create it for the whole family also. Hope you all enjoyed making this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and of course, still not subscribe the channel, just do that. Bye everyone, take care, stay happy and stay safe.